Hi, Amanda Brown again. I am here to talk to you a little bit about how we can focus on the under eye area with our gua sha tools. And this is going to help to depuff. It can also help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, and especially in the crow's feet area here. So let's just focus a little bit on that. This will be a short video. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to show you the moves. We're going to start from the outer corner and do strokes to the midline and then to the inside, okay? I'm going to use this side here. This is one more thing to mention. This area of your skin is pretty much like the thinnest skin on your body. It's very delicate. So the pressure under your eye is very minimal. It's like feather light. It's gonna look like I'm pulling on my skin a lot more than I am. So just make sure that you're aware of that when you're doing this at home, okay? We don't wanna damage that very delicate tissue. That's just a simple instruction on how you can work on the eyes. So we started on the bottom, we worked up on the crow's feet, we did some work on the upper brow bone, and then I ended it by lifting the brow. You saw me hold the stone here for a few seconds, and then think of taking a string and anchoring it up here, okay? Like I just like to visualize that in my head, that I'm hooking, I'm pulling this string up, and I'm gonna just set it right there so my brow stays nice and lifted, okay? You can see that, how much lifting has happened versus this side. So, of course, you wanna, whatever you do on your left side, you wanna go and do on the right side as well. So, just make sure you're balancing everything out, okay? Simple eye movements with your gua sha stone. All right, take care. I'll see you for the next video. As always, reach out to Erin or myself if you have any questions at all. We're happy to help you.